All right, my fellow Americans, let's do this. Okay, first thing you want to do, which I already started, is you pull this thing out, set that aside, and then see those little dimples? That's where your screws are going to go, to there. Okay. You open that up and you're going to have two there. Also has dimples from the factory. Now I just got to find screws since it didn't come with it. Is that right, Paul? Do we have Phillips screws in the box truck? Yeah, like 1 inch. We should. Oh boy. There you are.
Yo, DK-san!
Why didn't you tell me this thing was full?
I forgot.
I had to work so hard for these 4 screw pockets. I had to. Anyway. This 1/4 inch bit doesn't have a magnet. This 1/4 inch bit doesn't have a magnet. Brilliant. No, it's a new one. It just didn't come with one. So I decided to go with 5/16 instead of 1/4 inch, just because the head is a little bigger. Put out. Okay. That's the back. Put the cap back on, just like that. You're golden, boys. Pretty nice fit. Wait when these loosen that up. Oh, very nice. Success. And I might put some rubber on the back. I don't like the idea of those screws. They can probably mess up your case, or so I might put some styrofoam, not styrofoam, it's some sort of insulation material.